Whoa, we're back. Time to do some motherfucking brakes.
There's no case on it.
I almost dropped the camera. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris, and this is Cole, and we do Mark 7 shit. You already know the deal. Go hit the subscribe button. Join us. Woo! Oh, today's the day, bros. Today's the day. So, we're going to address this situation here. These things that stop. As you can see there's no pad left. That one, I'm pretty sure, one of these is like pretty close to completely gone. Hey, in today's video, we're doing brakes, baby. They had gotten done new pads and rotors when I first got this, so I never really had to. But today's the day. Let's see what we got. Yo, and we're working on the lift. Today's gonna be a good day. And I think, it might not work. We might have to drive it up on wood.
Yo, perfect. We'll just take a couple of these.
That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna drive up on one of those, honestly.
Really?
I mean, why not? It's kind of like perfect little.
Oh, that's true.
Perfect little ramp. Oh, FPC Euro? Oh my god. Oh.
I forgot about that.
Yo,
this box is significantly heavy.
I was gonna say those are definitely the fronts. The fronts are huge. Paper snake. Oh my god. All right, we got the rears. I already opened up and took a peek, made sure everything looked good. And the fronts. These are effing massive, dude. These are effing massive.
I forgot how big those were.
Look at them compared to my...
But that's to take up the whole wheel.
It's just crazy. So, we went with the Zimmerman package, front and rear with the red pads. That's what we're gonna go for, because the red pads are recommended for more of a street use, not so much on the track. Also we got the...
new caliper bolts?
The rear caliper bolts, because you're supposed to replace those every single time. Red stuff, that's what it's called, the red stuff pads. There's yellow stuff, red stuff, and they make like a bunch of different ones. Cool. Oh, yo, I got 0 minutes left, shit. All right, we back. Yo, I'm so excited. When you do your brakes, these are all the things you're gonna need to do your brakes. Isn't that right? Yo, old girl's first time on the lift? Okay, so that's good. Except for that. Don't worry guys, this is getting fixed. Please leave me alone, I'm so sorry. Talk about breaking my heart. I was really washing it, and over the winter time that happened and just blew apart. It's not gonna get worse, don't worry about it. I was literally pressure washing it, and it was just like, poof. I was like, okay. Yo, this is nice, we've never had this. We don't have that lift kind of shit. Oh, buddy.
There's literally a lip.
There's like a half a centimeter, no, it's probably a centimeter. There's like a centimeter
on
lip
both
on
sides.
that. Hey guys, so today we're taking out this wheel here. Haha. Oh wait. Yep. Don't mix it up. Boop. This is gonna get flagged. Gun content. You talk about how dope it is. We're working on a lift right now.
Facts.
For you guys, obviously you just see everything sped up and really easy, but sometimes we'd be working in the mud with a jack that's a foot in the dirt.
My car. Did the new video drop, by the way?
Yeah, F5. New video dropped at 5. Go check it out. Got some chunky boy pads. 2 EBC stickies? Damn, my truck's gonna be covered. She's gonna make. Oh my god, dude.
4.
Yo, they hooked it up. Go buy some EBC brake pads. No, I don't need the pads. I just need the stickers. Just for the disclaimer, this is not a how-to video because we don't do. Good job. We don't do how-to videos. When you go to do this, this is a 13 holding your caliper, and then there's this little tiny. Let me see if I can get some light. This is like too thin to get a wrench on, but it's just enough. You just have to hold it because it spins. You just have to hold it enough that you can actually get that out. Just a heads up on that. Look at the drink. Look at the drink. Look at me. Oh, baby!
Come on.
Kind of fucked up. I like working on cars like this where we're not, I don't know.
I like tools too.
I like working on cars more than anything, and I like driving, but I hate when you have to do it or you're doing it in a rush. Like this is where just like, you know, we're chilling, taking our time. All right, let's moment of truth. Let's see how bad the fronts are.
So.
No, dude, these are, I mean, they're worn down goofy, but they're actually not that bad. No, there's still pad on there. That's actually not that bad. She's still got some life on her, baby. Oh, the backs are actually shot. Just kidding.
Actually, like really?
They're worn down really unevenly. The 17's the actual hanger. What? I knew something was a 17. This.
Oh.
This right here. That's the 17. You know how to break your nuts loose? You gotta put on your LeBrons. Then you wanna get in your back like this position here. And you wanna just put some good pressure, okay? And then good pressure. Why did that actually work? We're mechanics. We fix stuff. You know, we fix it. Jesus, that's loud. Also, the one thing that you're supposed to know is these little set screws are a T30, and apparently they're prone to, like, on high mileage cars, they don't ever come off and they strip and you gotta screw them, so go easy.
Yikes.
Your boy's strong.
You can just pull the entire back of the car up.
We got the new rotor on.
Looking fresh.
We got the new, we got the caliper. Got the parts of the caliper bolts still all cleaned up. And now, she's looking fresh. We just gotta slide our pads in, reset the piston, and we're chilling. All right, folks, that's all we have time for. Look at that. Yo, I'm finally like proud of my brakes. That looks great. I'm hyped. It's the little stuff, you know? Look at this dog shit. You like that headband, baby? The goal obviously is like, now that I don't have to have this in the salt, for those who don't know, this thing's all like, all this is because I had to drive this in the winter for three seasons. And now that we finally got the truck, I got a truck video coming. Now that we have the truck, I don't have to do that, and I can keep that clean, but then take that in the wintertime, and then we can actually focus on this being like, nice. I want this car to be what I've always wanted it to be, and go through, clean up everything underneath, clean up the frame, and then work my way, start with the foundation, and then work my way up. I want this to be nice, and I love this car, I really do. And I know I beat the shit out of it, but I also take care of it. And now, she's done good for me, and this car started the entire fucking channel, and now it is time for me to take care of her. So, brakes. Also, Coey's got to be home at a certain time, so we got to kind of hurry up. So I wanted to film this one, and then we'll go all the way through this one really quickly, and then we'll just kind of burst through the rest of them, and then we'll finish the rest of the video, right?
Oatmeal.
Little updates, babies. Oh, yo. I was telling Cole it literally looks fake. It looks like a model car. It looks like a model car brakes. Two done. The fronts are done, baby. Let's go. Hey! It's much later now. We're on the home stretch. We had some frustrations of trying to figure out how these spinning pistons get reset, and then I kind of used the tool backwards, meaning like there's two different sets of threads and stuff, and yeah. So after a lot of time, we're on the last one. That is all the update, and the next update, it will be when we're done. Okay?
It's currently 9:30.
Is it?
Yeah.
Solid. Oh, that's the one.
Boy.
Metal on metal, baby. That was the one.
Yikes.
I like how it was the rear. Why did the rear go bad? Oh yeah, burnouts. Update! Really quickly, we're cleaning up. We're trying to get everything really clean. It's 10 o'clock. It's been a really long night. So I'm gonna give you an update. We're gonna go bed these in. They look fucking fantastic. Oh, just little touches, you know? We're gonna go bed these in. We're gonna go get some McDonald's, and then we're gonna bring Cole home, and then we'll jump to tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go for a rip and walk around and go have a good time and then see how they do. Oh, I'm so stoked. That took forever, but the rotating pistons in the back were kind of getting up because there's a left hand and a right hand. I didn't know that. Obviously, it's what happens when you do things without looking it up. And we learn as we go. But anyway, okay, we're gonna go. We'll jump to tomorrow. We back. Day 2. Yo, this shit goes so hard. Oh my god. I already got more stuff coming, boys. Don't worry, don't worry. Is there anything more beautiful? Honestly. Oh. Oh my god, baby. Motherfucker got the big old brake, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, motherfucker got the big old brakes. Shit. Big old brakes, motherfucker. The Insta360 is dead, so we'll be filming on the GoPro, so let's jump to boop, the GoPro. Getting good at this YouTube stuff. Now all I need is a hot dog and charger from my camera. I'm wearing the exact same shirt that I was wearing when we did the install. It's like 4 days later and I just happened to put it on and I was like, So I put about probably 100 miles on these. Kind of got them broken in real nice, real good. No like crazy testing or anything like that. Obviously I wanted to save that for the vlog. It's gonna be a good day. We'll go rip, see what they're capable of, see how they feel, and then we'll wash it. There's somebody who's going around in like a BMW X5 or an older one or something like that that's literally paintballing and throwing paint balloons at people's cars and shit. And then they, man, I'm not that person. I don't like saying shit like this in a video because I'm not like that, but I also don't around and I'm also not a bitch. So they thought it would be funny to find the one dude who films his life and throw a balloon at my car and fly by me thinking that nothing was gonna happen out of it. Luckily for them, it wasn't paint. I just saw a bunch of posts about them doing that and they've been popping around and paintballing people's cars and shit. And I'm just gonna nicely say this now because it wasn't paint, it was like some slime shit. Splattered me, splattered Meg while we're headed to a game. That shit will not happen twice. Just want that to be known, okay? Anybody in my area, just keep your eyes open. Black X5 with a goofy Euro plate. Mother, stay away from me, okay? Back to the show. Like what? I just don't, what the is wrong with people, bro? You know how much money and time I've put into this vehicle? It's my life. This vehicle is literally my life. God damn. They're like, oh, let's take the one redneck kid from Vermont that really doesn't give a f and films his whole life on camera. We should throw some shit at his car. That's a good idea. In case you guys can't tell, I'm pretty triggered about it, I'm not gonna lie. It's been like 2 weeks since it happened and I'm still really pissed off about it. I'm not sure the right way to handle it, so I'm just gonna be a bigger person and be like, fuck it. It wasn't paint, the car's not ruined, it's fine. But it sure as will not happen twice. So, if you're watching, you know who you are. Because I don't like saying stuff like that, because, you know, it's making me seem like, you know, I'm a tough guy. Listen, I don't f around. That's all I'm gonna say, alright? So please, kindly, stay away from me. And we'll be alright. Anywho, I'm sorry for everybody else who's just watching, trying to have a good video. I had to put that in there because I have a feeling they know who I am. So I apologize to those. Let's get back to a video and have a good day. I just hate shit like that. Like, you're just gonna shit on me because I have something that you can't have or something you don't want to work for. That's just how people are, and it is what it is. Woo, I'm getting turned up talking about it, baby. So we got these pretty well broken in. They feel really, bro, night and day difference on us. We'll let them warm up a little. Oh my god, it stops so fast. She stops now. That's so fucking crazy. I just lost everything. This is sick. I've got the best of both worlds right now and it makes me so happy. Like, 16-year-old Chris is so happy about the truck. I've always just wanted like a nice, little lifted, clean pickup, you know what I mean?
all I talked about was like wanting to start a channel. Like it didn't matter what it was. I love cars, and back then like I was skating every day and like really good at skating, and I just wanted something like about my life and to be a YouTuber. That's crazy, dude. Shout out to you guys. It wouldn't be, I couldn't do it without you, so that's crazy. Go hit a like for your boy. I'm stoked. One piece at a time, baby, one piece at a time. Now it's time to make a little more power, a couple more little maintenance things, and we got a spicy quesadilla. This video up here. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget, tell the bros, your boy is hungry and we're coming for 10K subs. That is my goal this year and we're gonna make it. Alright? Just keep driving. I hope you guys have a good day. Happy Memorial Day. If you see this by Monday, I don't know, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Just keep driving, your boy. See you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.